Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, May 14th. I think I got the date right. I am out in my yard. I'm on my lunch break, and I am about to start planting some sweet potato slips. Not all of them. I do have some more 15-gallon containers that I can fill. So let me show you what I'm doing. These two containers have potatoes in them, red potatoes, and a couple of they might be Yukon Gold. Anyways, I went ahead, sifted through the soil at the bottom, and just added some more of my soil that I get from my local nursery in here, and I'm about to plant some sweet potato slips here. So these three right here, I'll probably plant some more. According to Growing in the Garden, she is out of Arizona. You're supposed to plant your sweet potato slips about 12 inches apart. That is a good rule to go by. However, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to plant 2 in the big red container and 1 in the small black container. And we're going to see how they do. My slips have been growing for a while. Let me show you. See the roots down in there? So I'm going to pull. Well, maybe I'll grow 2 in each container. Those are the roots. The roots have been growing. Okay? They are really long, and it's time for me to get these bad babies planted. So I'm going to start with these 2 first, and if I have more time, I'm going to pull out a couple of grow bags and throw some more slips. I grew way more slips than what I needed, so I'm going to plant as many as I can, and then I'm going to go back to work after I'm done. Okay, so I need to hurry up, so let me get to planting here, and then I'll come back and show you what I did. Okay. That took 2 minutes. A minute per container. I haven't watered them in yet, but that's what they look like. And yeah, let me get me another grow bag and get to planting. There is one more thing I'm going to do, which is this. This is my Panamint nectarine. Now that I see, because I see little buds on it, it may not fruit or do anything this year, but it's not dead. So I am going to go ahead and kind of lift this tree up and add more soil to it, because as you can see, the soil has diminished over time. A few videos ago, I mentioned that somebody came onto my page and said, why do you have such little soil in your containers? You're a poor gardener, or piss poor gardener, or something like that. So I deleted them, and they didn't get to see my response, because first time on my page and you say that, I don't have time. But what I do sometimes, especially when I'm limited on soil, is that to get things planted, I will put a little bit of soil in the containers and then plant it and see if it survives. Remember, this stuff has to start growing roots and surviving. So it looks like this tree is surviving. These other 2 trees, as you can see, I have stakes in a TP method because we had winds one day, and I don't feel like taking that out right now. Since this one doesn't, I'm going to go ahead, kind of dig at the roots, lift this one up, and add more soil to it. And I'll show you when I'm done. So this is what it looks like right now. And then I'll show you when I'm done, and then I got to go back in the house and get back to work. So that's what the roots look like. I don't even believe it had that much of a root system when I planted it. So now we're going to add some more soil to it. And as you can see, it's still green. It's still alive. So for some of you that are doubting it, it's still good. Okay, it's done. Look how it looks now. It's higher up. It's almost to that level, that line level. And now I'm watering it in. While I'm watering this in, sorry, put up my glasses here. I know this was really quick, but you can always do something really quick in your garden. I get an hour lunch. My hour lunch is not up. I'll go in there, get me a snack, do what I gotta do, and get back to work. These are good benefits from working from home. I'm not using my company's time. I'm using my time wisely, and I'm planting food. So if you think you don't have enough time to garden, think again, you can always do something. There's always something for you to do, whether it's even cleaning up, picking weeds out of the garden. There's always something that you can do. And let me go ahead and show you my sweet potato slips that I have planted. So I planted 4 in here and watered it in really, really well. I can't remember if these are orange or purple, but hey, I got them in there. I also went ahead and watered some of my potato plants, which are coming up, and I watered these in really good. Sweet potato slips are generally easy to plant. Many of us gardeners who grow our own sweet potato slips, we take the sweet potatoes, take a container, put it in soil, wet it, just let the roots grow on the sweet potato and they start growing slips. Generally very easy to do. You start picking the slips off of the sweet potatoes when they get about 6 inches in height. Take them off, take a jar of water like we do, take the leaves off the bottom, stick the slips in water. Really quickly, the roots start to grow on the slips. The slips is what creates sweet potatoes. Then you take those slips and plant them in soil. You plant them under the leaf line. So that's why you take the leaves off the bottom, grow the roots, plant them, and then 60 to 90 days, you'll start getting sweet potatoes. I use sweet potatoes that I bought from Sprouts, organic, and as you can see, they rooted and they created slips, which means those were truly organic sweet potatoes. They weren't sprayed. That's one reason why I like going to Sprouts. And I have so many slips that eventually, if these don't take, then I will replant them because I have so many. If they do take, then I'll plant some more. The rest, I'm going to try to plant them all over time, but I will not be able to plant that many sweet potatoes. So next season, I will probably just get slips from like 2 sweet potatoes, if that, and then plant slips. This year, once I get all the sweet potatoes, I will be giving them away to family. I should have them by holiday season at the end of the year, where people like to make pies and desserts out of the sweet potatoes. I will be giving them away. Of course, I'll keep some for myself to eat, and I will also be keeping some for myself to grow slips, but most likely I'll be giving them away. So this is my quick video for today. As I always say, please find peace within yourself and please be peaceable with everyone around you. I love you all. Have a fantastic Wednesday. Bye.